Now, a lot of people think that it's difficult to make deep fried calamari, but in this video, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to make deep fried calamari. If you end up liking the video, go ahead and hit the subscription button. Add a teaspoon of salt, half cup of milk. We're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Cup of flour, half cup of cornmeal, half tablespoon garlic powder, half tablespoon chicken seasoning. Combine everything. Let's coat our squid with some seasoning. So we dip it in the flour first. Shake most of the cornmeal mixture off and then put it over here. Make sure the oil is hot, but not too hot, because you don't want it to burn the squid. So we're just going to go ahead and fry everything at once. Now that these are nice and crunchy, we're going to remove them onto this sheet of paper. If you're liking the video so far, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, so that we can reach our goal. So you want to let this drain for a few minutes before plating it. Guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. It's a deep fried caramel crusted calamari.